Ever pondered the secrets behind crafting the perfect chicken tikka masala at home? The intricate dance of spices, the tender chicken, and the rich creamy sauce? Well, today we're journeying into the heart of this beloved British Indian dish to decode its magic one step at a time. Scene script. Begin by gathering all the ingredients. For the chicken marinade, you'll need boneless chicken breasts, plain yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, and ginger. Don't forget the array of spices: turmeric, garam masala, cumin, and chili powder. For the sauce, gather onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, tomatoes, cream, and the same spice selection with the addition of fenugreek leaves. First, take a moment to marinate the chicken. Mix the yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, ginger, and spices in a bowl. Coat the chicken well and let it rest. Ideally, you'd leave it overnight, but a few hours will do the trick if you're short on time. While the chicken marinates, we can start preparing the sauce. Sauté the finely chopped onion, garlic, ginger, and green chili in some oil until they're soft and golden. Then, add the spices. The aroma filling your kitchen will be the first hint of the magic to come. Next, add in the tomatoes and cook until they're soft and well integrated with the spices. This is the base of your sauce, rich and full of flavor. Once your sauce is ready, grill your marinated chicken. You're aiming for that slightly charred exterior and juicy, tender interior. Once done, slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now, it's time to bring it all together. Add the grilled chicken pieces into the sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Finish off by adding the cream and fenugreek leaves, giving your chicken tikka masala that signature creamy richness. There you have it, the perfect chicken tikka masala right in your own kitchen. To summarize, you start with marinating the chicken in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, ginger, and spices. While that rests, prepare the sauce by sautéing onion, garlic, ginger, and chili, then adding tomatoes and spices. Grill the chicken, cut it into pieces, and add it to the sauce. Finish with cream and fenugreek leaves. Remember, the magic of chicken tikka masala lies in the balance of spices and the richness of the sauce. It's a dance of flavors and textures that brings warmth to any meal. Enjoy the process, enjoy the dish, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of cooking.